Looking for a Tyres for Freelander one? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 10 Tyres for Freelander one available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect Tyres for Freelander one for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the Pirelli Scorpion Verde as radial tire. The Scorpion Verde, Italian for green, all-season is Pirelli's eco-friendly crossover SUV touring all-season tire developed for the drivers of crossovers, sport utility vehicles and prestigious pickups. The compact icons on the sidewall of the Scorpion Verde all-season highlight its environmental compatibility, where it reduces rolling resistance and tire weight compared to Pirelli's previous CUV SUV tire lines to increase fuel economy and lower the vehicle's CO2 emissions. The Scorpion Verde all-season is designed to combine dry and wet road handling, comfort and year-round capabilities, including all-season traction in light snow. The Scorpion Verde all-season molds a silica tread compound into an asymmetric tread design that features an optimized rubber-to-void ratio and uniform contact patch to blend dry road traction and performance with uniform wear. 4 wide circumferential grooves displace water to resist hydroplaning and enhance wet traction, while longitudinal siping for lateral stability on loose surfaces and high-density lateral siping enhance wet and wintertime traction. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Michelin Defender LTX MS All-Season Radial Car Tire. Radial car tire for light trucks, SUVs and crossovers designed for all-season use. Provides exceptional grip for shorter braking distances on wet roads. Michelin Evertread compound provides 10% more longevity in severe conditions compared to its predecessor. Reduced risk of hydroplaning, outstanding grip for improved braking performance on wet roads and better traction on snow when compared to leading competitors. Fuel-efficient and eco-friendly features Michelin Max Touch construction to save up to 65 gallons of fuel over the tire's life. At number 3 on our list, we have the set of two full-way HP 108 all-season high-performance radial tires. The full-way HP 108 is a performance and high-performance, all-season tire manufactured for passenger vehicles and SUVs. This model's reinforced sidewalls guard the rim from accidental curb damage. This model promotes great year-round traction while also resisting hydroplaning. A quiet, smooth, and comfortable drive is guaranteed as the tread design cancels out road noise and reduces vibrations. The better surface contact boosts the controllability and ensures the driver's control over the vehicle. The HP 108 enhances the tire's high-speed performance and promotes a safer high-speed driving experience. At number 4 on our list, we have the Pirelli Scorpion Verde All-Season Plus. The Scorpion Verde All-Season Plus 2 is Pirelli's enhanced touring all-season tire developed for the drivers of crossovers, sport utility vehicles, and pickup trucks. Part of Pirelli's Plus line of products, the Scorpion Verde All-Season Plus 2 is designed to better meet the needs of drivers in the North American market with a new tread compound and an optimized footprint with further enhanced wet braking and handling, while maintaining the mileage and comfort in winter performance of the previous generations. At number 5 on our list, we have the Cooper CS5 Ultra Touring All-Season 215/65R1698H tire. The Cooper CS5 Ultra Touring All-Season 215/65R1698H tire with innovative technologies such as an improved compound, wear square visual indicator, 3D micro-gauge sipes and stability provides real-life performance in real-life conditions for everyday drivers. If you want to feel connected to the road, the CS5 Ultra Touring does just that with the patented stability technology. Stability technology can be found on the edge of the tread elements. It stabilizes the tread while driving, which provides superior dry traction, handling and overall steering response. The asymmetric tread design of the CS5 Ultra Touring is designed to deliver a crisp steering response, controlled handling around curves and all-season road gripping capabilities. The specially designed 3D micro-gauge sipes stabilize the tread elements by interlocking them together to maximize surface contact. This additional surface contact and increased number of biting edges greatly improves traction in wet and light snow conditions. The tread compound gives the CS5 Ultra Touring superior wet handling, shortens stopping distance, and lowers rolling resistance for improved fuel mileage. At number 6 on our list, we have the Michelin Defender T+H all-season radial car tire. Radial car tire for passenger cars and minivans designed for all-season performance. Max Touch construction maximizes the tire's contact with the road and evenly distributes the forces of acceleration, braking and cornering, resulting in longer wear. IntelliSipe technology designed to maximize biting edges for exceptional grip and control in all seasons, while rain grooves help prevent hydroplaning. Comfort control technology helps ensure ride satisfaction while minimizing tire noise while driving. At number 7 on our list, we have the Max Auto 4-pack 10-inch solid rubber tire wheels garden wagon cart trolley tires. The Max Auto solid rubber 10-inch tire comes in a set of 4 and is an ideal replacement for most brands and models. These quality tires have solid rubber construction that distributes weight evenly, reducing compaction and maximizing traction. They're also made with heavy-duty ball bearings and a grease fitting to make maintaining these sturdy tires simple. The Max Auto solid rubber 10-inch tires feature a 4-rim diameter and has a 3.5 opening to fit most standard width tire rims, including. At number 8 on our list, we have the Pirelli P0 All-Season Ultra High Performance Radial Tire. The P0 All-Season Plus is the ultra-high-performance all-season member of Pirelli's P0 tire family. Developed for driving enthusiasts behind the wheels of powerful sports cars, coupes and sedans looking for Pirelli prestige and year-round performance, the P0 All-Season Plus is designed to be driven in all seasons, even in light snow. P0 All-Season Plus tires feature Pirelli's advanced all-season tread compound that combines special silica and polymers. The tread compound is molded into an all-new advanced asymmetric tread pattern featuring variable size tread elements to minimize noise inside the vehicle, while 5 distinctly designed ribs promote performance in all weather conditions. Stable outboard shoulder blocks feature lateral siping to maximize cornering, while a rigid center rib increases steering control, dry grip and overall handling. Circumferential grooves flush out water to resist hydroplaning, while large grooves between the blocks expel water and capture more snow. Winter siping technology in the inboard blocks enhances tread pattern stability while increasing the number of biting edges to improve snow traction. At number 9 on our list, we have the Starfire Solaris's all-season 225/55R 1797V tire. Get a good deal on a great tire for your vehicle with the Starfire Solaris's all-season tire. The advanced all-season tread design provides all-season traction in wet, dry and winter conditions while giving you plenty of miles. The tread is computer designed to reduce noise to provide a quiet running tire at highway speeds. The tire's deep, lateral shoulder slots help ensure excellent traction throughout the life of the tire. Spiral nylon overwrap in the tire helps improve the tire's contact footprint with the road. The solid center rib tread design provides a smooth ride and controlled handling. The Starfire Solaris's all-season tire is optimized for all-season performance for cars and cubs. And finally at number 10 on our list, we have the Hankook Kinergy Saint H735 all-season radial tire. The Kinergy Street is Hankook's standard touring all-season tire developed for the drivers of family sedans, crossovers, coupes, and minivans who want a balanced blend of performance combined with long tread life. The Kinergy Street was designed to deliver a smooth and quiet ride along with confident traction in dry, wet and wintry conditions, even light snow. Utilizing an abrasion-resistant all-season compound provides durability, and the symmetric pattern of the Kinergy Street allows for easy rotation patterns to resist irregular wear and prolong tire life. A coupled center rib and tie bars in the outboard grooves help stabilize the tread for enhanced rigidity and responsive handling. The optimized pitch sequence is designed to reduce tread noise, and the independent tread blocks and sipes create multiple biting edges for traction in slippery conditions. Open shoulder slots and deep, circumferential grooves help evacuate water from the contact patch for hydroplaning resistance, and wide, lateral notches combine with the optimized sipes to provide wet braking performance and light snow traction. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.